So you're new to LinkedIn and want to set up your new profile in under 10 minutes? I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important sections of your LinkedIn profile that you need to set up and optimize to spruce up your LinkedIn profile from top to bottom and ensure it is ready for new connections and new opportunities. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Dodd. On my channel, we talk all things LinkedIn for business and career success. Make sure to click that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. New videos come out weekly. Okay, let's get into this quick and easy 10-minute LinkedIn profile setup tutorial. Of course, the first step is to go to www.linkedin.com and to sign up for a brand new profile. It's going to walk you through entering your email, creating a password, and then you're going to show up on the main LinkedIn page once your profile is set up. I want you to navigate to the top right-hand corner where it says Me, and this is where we are going to edit your profile. Once you are inside of your profile, I want to make you aware of the three main sections of your LinkedIn profile that people are going to see when they enter your full profile. Let's walk through those three sections. So the first section is the top of your LinkedIn profile. This is what people see first when they enter your full profile. This includes your headshot, your banner, and your headline. When you are engaging in other parts of the LinkedIn platform, maybe you are making a post or commenting on another person's post, other LinkedIn users are going to see your profile picture and your headline. So we want to make sure that we optimize those first. So let's optimize the top section of your LinkedIn profile. First, I want you to upload a headshot. Here, I want you to put your best foot forward. Think about LinkedIn as a professional networking platform. So you want to put your best professional photo here. A photo of you smiling. Something where people can very clearly see your face and recognize you in a professional manner. Always remember, branding is everything. So put your best foot forward here. Now let's optimize your headline. Here's a really simple formula you can use to do this fast. You're going to write out your job title at your company. For example, marketing director at pima.io. You can write out your job title and insert a keyword or specialized skill. For example, I could say marketing director, B2B leads, enterprise sales. These keywords are what I want to be found for on LinkedIn. What are you going to use for your headline? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know. So I don't want you to spend too much time here. Use one of those two formulas to fill out your headline, and then let's go into your banner. What I love about the banner on LinkedIn is it gives you an opportunity to showcase your personality and add an extra layer of branding to your profile. You can visit websites like unsplash.com or canva.com for free LinkedIn banners. Choose something that represents you, your personality, and your personal brand the best. Now we've optimized the top section of our profile, our headshot, banner, and our headline. Let's get into the middle section of our LinkedIn profile. The middle section of your LinkedIn profile consists of two main parts. The first is your About section. This is also known as your summary. Think of this as a section where you can give people more information about you. You have an opportunity to tell your story and write that narrative. The second section is the featured section of your profile. In this section, you can add links, media, pinned posts, and other resources for people to learn more about you, whether it's on a professional level or even a personal level. The featured section adds media, and I love it because it adds more depth and an extra layer to your profile. So what do you put in your About section? Here's a really simple formula you can use to fill this out right now. I want you to answer these three questions. What do you do? What are your biggest achievements in your profession? And what are you passionate about? Answering these three questions is a great starting point for your About section. Here are some key tips. Make sure you write like you speak. Don't use overly formal or quote-unquote corporate language. Make it easy for people to read and learn more about you. Use bulleted lists as much as possible. For example, if you are going to share some achievements, measurable results, or accomplishments in your role, put them in a bulleted list. This makes it a lot easier for somebody to read your About section. And I always say end with a call to action. You can use something as simple as let's connect so that people know what step to take next after reading your about section. Let's get into the featured section. So the featured section, as I mentioned, you can add external links, maybe blogs that you've written, pages you've been featured in, maybe your direct website. I want you to add all relevant links that showcase who you are, more about your professional, career, or business, as this gives people another way to learn more about you. Here is a key tip for career professionals. Do not add a link to your resume here. Your LinkedIn profile is your online resume, so you do not need to link your resume because we want to put all of that information directly in our LinkedIn profile. So no resumes in this section. Now let's get into the bottom section of our LinkedIn profile. There are 3 main things I want you to fill out in the bottom section of your LinkedIn profile. Of course, you want to write out your work experience. Include the company you worked for, the dates that you worked for them, and 2 to 3 bullet points that showcase what you achieved or accomplished in those roles. This is the best way that your LinkedIn profile functions as your online resume. If you obtained a certification or a degree, add that to your education section. Make sure that you link the relevant organization, college, or institution so that people from those organizations can also find you on the platform. Lastly, I want you to add 5 to 10 key skills. Think of these as the skills that you possess and those you utilize every day. And there you have it. That was my LinkedIn profile setup in under 10 minutes. I want you to take the next step. If you need a more in-depth tutorial where I give you more examples, more formula, and you just want additional help on how to set up and optimize your profile, I want you to watch this video next. It's a complete guide over 30 minutes tutorial from beginning to end on exactly how to set up your LinkedIn profile as well as optimize it. Click this video next and I want you to watch that full tutorial. If you love this video, would you give it a thumbs up? It helps so much. Connect with me on LinkedIn once you've optimized your profile. I would love to take a look at it. The link to connect with me is in the comments below. All right, this is Cindy Dodd and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.